Ambulance drivers are supposed to be frontline workers, but the situation is different. We are reporting from Mangolpuri, where Delhi government had hired these ambulance drivers from Uttar Pradesh because there is a shortage of ambulance and ambulance drivers in Delhi. Now we are going to show you that in what condition these ambulance drivers are staying. This is Mangolpuri, this is L block area, and this is a community center where these people are right now. That you in my camera, my video journalist Pravez is showing you that these are the people who are standing, and in fact we will just go inside and show you that what kind of social distancing is being maintained over here. In fact, here you can see these are the right now that some of them are having food as well because it's a lunch time, and here you can see many of them are not all wearing masks as well, because what they are saying that mask is also not given to them. This is the bed, the distance of the bed. You can clearly establish that how much distance is that. In fact, the government always says that there should be the difference because there is a quarantine centers are made for the people, those who are being affected, and these are the people who go to pick the patients and drop them to the hospital. Definitely the the threat of affecting the corona is very much on them, but despite that, this kind of arrangement is given by the Delhi government to these corona warriors. In fact, if we go to the other side, I just want to show you some visuals of the toilet as well, because they are complaining about that as well. Here you can see that how much clean it is. You will clearly get a sense that how much clean it is. If you see here over here that there is water all over, the water is spilled all over on the floor. What they are telling us, they had just cleaned up after giving the money to some sweeper, but it has not been yet cleared very much. In fact, they have to spend their own money to clean the toilet, but despite that, this situation is this pathetic kind of toilets are here. You can see that how their daily life is being spent. They are staying here for past 3 months. Many of them have already spent 3 months, some of them 2 months, some of them 1 month. There is the contract which the government has given to them of about 6 months. Till 6 months they have to stay over here. They are getting the salary as well, but the pathetic condition in which they are staying, that really is very much questionable, and we hope that the government will look into it. With video journalist Pravez Raza, I am Alok for Mirror Now.
यहाँ देखिए सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का कोई वो नहीं है। गद्दे एक साइड में लगे हुए हैं, सबका एक लाइन से लगा हुआ, वहीं हम लोग रहते हैं। नहाने की भी कोई अच्छी सुविधा नहीं है, लैट्रिन बाथरूम भी सही नहीं है, क्लीन नहीं होता।
आप लोग को जब यहाँ लाया गया था तब क्या बोल के लाया गया था? क्या बोल के
लाया गया था कि आपको रहने और खाने की व्यवस्था की जाएगी, बढ़िया व्यवस्था दी जाएगी। तो रही वही आलू की सब्जी जो है और चावल दाल रोटी यही मिलता है। हाँ, कीड़ा भी कभी कभार निकल आता है, जो है हफ्ते में 1-2 दिन तो आ ही जाता है।
सैलरी से ही पैसा कट जाता है आप लोग?
हाँ, वो तो करता ही है
खाने का भी।
जी जी।
और जो हमने टॉयलेट की सिचुएशन देखी वो बड़ी खराब है, उसमें क्या कहेंगे कि टॉयलेट क्या सफाई आप ही लोग करवाते हैं?
नहीं भाई, सर लोग करवाते हैं, कंपनी करवाती है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
ठीक से हम बताइए सर, आए हुए यहाँ पे इन लोगों की सेवा करने, जब हम ही नहीं सेफ रहेंगे तो इन लोगों की क्या सेवा करेंगे? बात तो ये सर, तो यहाँ पे बस हम यही चाह रहे हैं कि ये एरिया चेंज हो जाए या फिर कुछ सेफ्टी वेफ्टी दी जाए हम लोगों, तभी तो हम दिल्ली को की जो जनता है उसकी सेवा कर पाएंगे।